Hello and welcome to the channel. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing a 3-inch pipe and replacing the resonator. So we're doing a resonator delete and also a muffler delete in a BMW 325i. So stay tuned. We finally get to install the exhaust system today, and yeah, so prepare to see 4 pipes in that beautiful machine. And what we're going to do for today is simply just get rid of the resonator delete and then introduce 2 more pipes on that end. So nothing major, but hopefully the sound would do justice. We'll keep the exhaust catalytic converters, yeah, just change the manifolds, rather the resonator. So yeah, they come as a set. They come as a set. What? The job is done. We've installed the pipes, the tips. With a 3-inch pipe, replaced the resonator with a wide pipe over there, and yeah, it's nicely loud. Unfortunately, we couldn't do the 4 pipes because of the situation under there, so we've just gone for dual pipes instead of quad, and I'm okay with it. That makes sense. Rev. Okay. God damn it, I'm deaf. Ah! No!